Welcome to Afridi Study World. My name is Afridi. Today we see Civics Category Revision on marks.
Fill in the blanks. Various different among the people are called
Diversity.
Dash is a desert mountain in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir.
Ladakh.
Dash also are chiefly woven in Kashmir.
Pashmina.
Ladakh is also called Little.
Tibet.
India's national anthem composed by
Rabindranath Tagore.
Chinese fishing nets are called
Chinawala.
Dash and Dash where the first traders come to India.
Javis and Arab.
Dash the community was treated as untouchables in the Bombay presidency.
Mahar.
Dash fought for the right of the Dalits.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
The number of major religions in the world is
8.
Indian constitution were found by
Dr. Ambedkar.
people were discriminated badly because they are
Poor.
Dash means to see the people inferior.
Prejudice.
In India, we have more than dash dance forms.
100.
Match the following. Discovery of India.
Nehru.
China Chatti.
China.
Kerala.
Pepper and clothes.
S.T. Thomas.
Christianity in India.
Jallianwala Bagh.
Amritsar.
Relation National Epic.
Kasar Saga.
India.
Unity in diversity.
Judge other people negatively.
Prejudice.
Dalits.
Lower caste.
Fixing people into one image.
Stereotype.
Treating someone less fairly than others.
Discrimination.
Constitution of India.
Dr. Ambedkar.
True or false? We have more than 1600 languages that are people mother tongue.
True.
Dalits are referred to as scheduled tribe 57.
False.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar belonged to the Mahar community.
True.
Government jobs are open to the people who come from upper caste.
False.
Prejudice means treating people equally at all places.
False.
Choose. Dr. Ambedkar was a noted leader of
SC.
Discrimination makes people feel
Inferior.
Dr. Ambedkar had an experience of discrimination at his age of
9.
Dash group were forced to pick garbage from the village.
Backward class.
Constitution was formed in the year
1950. Thanks for watching. Bye.